All right, y'all. Finally, I got the Pikesville for y'all this week. All right, Pikesville Rye. Man, this has been a long time coming. This is another one of those bottles that I bought a couple years ago, put in the closet, and then forgot about it. Since then, I have had a couple ryes, so I'm going to talk a little bit about those, but before I do that, let's go ahead and pop the cork on here and start pouring a little bit. Nice solid cork pop. So this is the Pikesville. Let's go ahead and swirl this around and give it a chance to open up. All right, let's go ahead and give you a little bit of the color. Now, Pikesville Rye is currently produced by the Heaven Hill Distillery. It is a dead brand that was resurrected maybe about 10 years ago. Pikesville is the name of a town in Maryland where the original distillery was back in 1895, but you know, the brand died. They sold the brand, the naming to Heaven Hill. Heaven Hill relaunched it. So, hey, it's been done before. Now, the thing about this that I like particularly is that it is a 110 proof, and it says on here that it's at least 6 years old, so that's a little bit unusual. So far as high proof ryes, what I've had is the Knob Creek Rye, and I've also had the Rare Breed Rye. I got the Jack Daniel's single barrel proof rye on deck, but I figured, hey, you know, 110, I got to try this because this is very affordably priced. This is like 40 bucks. So, you know, it's kind of positioning itself to be very competitive against specifically the Knob Creek Rye. So let's go ahead and get into the nose and the tasting. I'll let you know what I think. Nose is heavy rye. You also get that mint. Same thing I got with the Rare Breed Rye. Spearmint and corn. The Rare Breed Rye, I remember, was more minty and less sweet corn. This overall is a good balance of corn and mint on the nose. Let's go in for the taste. Okay. It's got some nice legs on here too. Not sure if you guys can see that or not. Let me get another taste. Yeah. So on the palate, decent mouthfeel. Long finish on here. You get the pepper and you get the sweetness. Compared to the Rare Breed Rye, the Rare Breed Rye was more of the pepper. This has more of the combination, more dimension to it than the Rare Breed Rye, I'd say. And it's also just more refined overall than the Knob Creek Rye. So on first taste, that's good. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. So today, I had the Pikesville Rye, 110 proof, at least 6 years old. Got some nice legs on the glass. Mouth feels medium. Good balance of sweet and pepper on here. For the 40 bucks that I paid, I'm very impressed with it. Finish is long. If you like ryes, I don't see how you could pass on this, but this is the first impression. I will be back for the long-term review because on deck, what I got to watch is this Netflix thing called Midnight Mass. And it kind of has a lot of references to the Catholic Church in it. I got married in the Catholic Church, so I also like horror movies. It's a horror thing, so hopefully these two go together. I'll be back with a long-term review. I'll let you know what I think, but so far so good. Dark Spirits, cheers. Stay safe out there. I'm out.